Hi guys, this is for the collective. What should you review, repair, and release? It's a general reading, won't apply to everyone. The roles can be reversed. Only take what resonates, leave the rest. Personal readings, contact me through email. Thank you for watching, for being here. Please like, share, and comment these videos, and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, and let's do it. What the collective should review, repair, and release in this 2021 Mercury Retrograde. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, and the Five of Swords. So we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. More likely Libra. Yeah, Libra and Aquarius, more likely. So guys, what you need to reveal is the things that you treasure in life. What's really important to you? What's really have value to you? What's really valuable, very tangible, something you really count on. So you need to reveal that. What is really precious to you with this Ace of Pentacles? What you need to repair is the way you fight your battles. It's if you really, really healed. Because maybe you need healing still. Maybe you really need to rest. Maybe you really need to prepare better your state of mind and body for the things that you need to face. Or maybe you are too quiet, too much silenced. You have to repair something when it comes to that. And this is with the Four of Swords. Now, with the Five of Swords, what you need to release. Maybe you need to release someone. Maybe you need to release your person. Maybe you need to release mind games that you've been playing. Maybe you need to release something that has been a sacrifice to you. Maybe you have to release enviousness. But there is something here with this card that you have to release. If it's a situation, a place, a person, a feeling, but you need to release something here. According to this card, it can be one of these things that I said. So it's something that you need to reflect about and see if it resonates for you. If not, just leave it. But don't try to make it fit. Anyways, this is what I have for you guys in this reading. So be aware. And I'll talk to you soon, very soon. God bless y'all. And bye for now.